Today, we are exploring one of the largest cities in the world, with over 28 million people and over 1,500 buildings higher than 100 meters, which is more than New York City. This is Shanghai, China. So, come along with us as we share our first impressions, from a robot making us coffee in the morning to the stunning skyline at night. There's a lot to discover. We are starting our first day here in Shanghai with the coffee, of course, but not just a regular coffee. This one is going to be made by a robot.
I
know. Took a while. First coffee is ready. Nice, number 2. Perfect.
Alright, this costs just a little over €2 for an Americano and a latte. So let's taste. Oh my god, it's so hot. Really good coffee though.
Yes, my latte is really, really good.
The best way to start the day. Love Shanghai already.
Yeah.
So we are now walking towards Bund Street. So this is our first busy shopping street that we're walking through here in Shanghai, and it is incredible because right in front of us you can see the Pearl Tower and all the skyscrapers from the financial district. There are also some like really nice old buildings on this street in front of it. And then the shops that are lining the streets are so incredibly extravagantly decorated.
Yeah.
Like they're crazy, they're really cool, really enticing, so extra.
We even saw a museum, a chocolate museum where you can enter for free, I think, right?
Yeah. Maybe we should do that.
Wow, it's more like chocolate art, right?
Yeah, oh my god, it smells of chocolate. Yum. This honestly makes me want chocolate so bad, but I guess that's kind of the whole point.
Museum was short and fun, but let's go to the next one. This is like walking into Disneyland. Behind us are all the old colonial buildings, and then in front of us are just these massive skyscrapers.
Yeah, and it literally looks like a green screen. It just looks like they're just dropped there in the middle.
I could only imagine how it looks at night. Must be so cool with all the lights.
Well, we'll find out soon.
Yeah.
We are now just walking along the Bund Square viewing platform. It is incredibly busy, but so incredibly beautiful. And fun fact, Shanghai has more skyscrapers than New York City. There's over 1,500 buildings that are over 100 meters high.
And second fun fact, Shanghai is one of the largest cities in the world with over 28 million people. Crazy.
It is getting stormy. The wind is definitely picking up, so let's go inside and get something to eat. We have just made our way back to the waterfront, and it is even more beautiful here than it was before.
I would say it's my favorite so far, with all the lights, and the skyline looks amazing.
Looks so amazing. The old style buildings are all I love. Looks absolutely beautiful, and then all the new skyscrapers as well have light shows on, and it's absolutely incredible. And
yeah, there is even a drone show in the skyline. You can see thousands of drones like performing.
It's really, really, really cool. Wasn't expecting this. Expecting it to be cool, but not this cool.
Wow.
It is now 9:45. We're just about to leave the waterfront, and then we saw a boat coming, and our guess is that they're preparing for Chinese National Day, which is next week. But it was a boat with a full stage. There was full orchestra and conductor, but There's also robots, like at least 5 that we could see,
Yeah.
and I think they were dancing as part of the performance.
So I think it will be a very special celebration that day.
Robots on a boat that's a massive stage that's going through the river in the middle of Shanghai. And now it's starting to rain, so we're going to head back. And that's it for our first day here in Shanghai.
We have really good first impression of the city and we're very excited to explore more tomorrow. So we're gonna end the video here. Please give this video a like, it means a lot and helps our channel to grow. Leave a comment if you wanna let us know what we should do next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Bye!